In this video, I want to talk about how to replace headlight bulbs. My first example, this is a headlight out of a Nissan. This is actually out of a 1995 Nissan 200 SX. But on the back side, there's going to be a connector here. This is what supplies power to the headlight. You're going to want to unplug the connector, and then this one has simply just a little retaining tab that you lift up and then it can unplug. Now there's going to be a retaining cage or a clip, something of this nature. This one, more specifically the Nissan, I'm going to lift the clip up, and as you can see, and I'll tilt it to the side a little bit, you can see the little cage slides into a groove right here. I lift the cage up and over, then I can simply remove the light bulb. From here, I would get my new light bulb and install in the reverse order. So I want to make sure that I'm putting the light bulb in the correct way. I don't want to put it in upside down. Sometimes there's going to be a little cutout or a groove on the bulb that's going to show you which way goes up. I will reinsert the bulb. There's always going to be a gasket as well. As you can see, this yellow gasket. That's to keep the bulb from getting water inside. Then I'm going to reattach the clip and then plug my harness back in. My second example, this is off of a Honda Civic. This is a 1996 Honda Civic. Have the same style. So once again, we need to get to the back side of the headlight. Pan you guys down a little bit. Now for this style, this one actually has this rubber boot that I need to remove, so this one just simply pulls off. Now again, normally there would be a connector right here, the power supply to the headlight bulb. So now this one, as you can take a look inside, this has a different style of a cage. Now even though there's a Phillips screwdriver right here, or excuse me, a Phillips screw, we don't need to remove it. This one actually has a little clip, so I can push down on the clip, and as I'm pushing down, I think you guys can see it, on the top of my finger, it actually locks in place behind this little plastic retainer. So I can push the clip down, slide it to the side, just like this, and now my clip is loose. See, I didn't have to loosen any screws or anything like that. I can move the cage out of the way, I can reach in, grab my bulb, and then this one, as you can see, it has three little wings, top, and then the two little sides right here. Again, I want to make sure it goes back in the same order. Now, I'll give you guys a little heads up. When replacing a light bulb, never put your bare fingers on the glass. If you get oil from your fingers onto the bulb, it could actually make the bulb go bad faster. So you're going to be spending more money replacing the bulb quicker. So let's put this one back. Once again, I want to make sure it goes back in the same way that I took it out. I have one tab that goes straight up, and then the two little guys go on the bottom. I'm going to move the cage out of the way. The bulb simply sits back into place. And let me tilt it up for you guys. And then again, to put my little cage back on, all I want to do is get this little winged area right here behind the little retaining tab. So I'm just going to press down, and as I'm pressing down, I get it behind, and then it locks in place, and my bulb is secure. Reinstall my boot. And then I would plug the bulb back in.